Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of reporting a missing delivery to FedEx. If you've been anxiously waiting for your package and it hasn't arrived, follow these simple steps to ensure it's located efficiently. Step 1. Check tracking information. Begin by checking the tracking information for your package. Visit the FedEx website and enter your tracking number. This will give you the most up-to-date information on your package's status and its last known location. Step 2. Verify delivery attempt. If the tracking information states that your package was delivered, check around your property. Sometimes packages can be left in unusual spots, such as behind a plant, in a garage, or with a neighbor. Also, confirm that someone else in your household or building hasn't received the package on your behalf. Step 3. Wait a little longer. Sometimes, deliveries may be marked as complete, even if the package arrives a bit later than expected. If the tracking shows it was delivered today, consider waiting until the end of the day, as carriers can sometimes deliver late. Step 4. Contact FedEx customer service. If you've verified that the package is indeed missing, the next step is to contact FedEx customer service. You can reach them by calling the number on their website or using their online chat service. Be prepared with your tracking number and any additional information regarding your package. Step 5. Fill out a missing package claim. If the package is officially declared lost, you will need to submit a claim. You can do this online through the FedEx claims page. Follow the prompts and provide all necessary details, including your tracking number, recipient information, and a description of the contents. Make sure to submit your claim as soon as possible since there might be time limits. Step 6. Document everything. Keep a record of all communications with FedEx, including dates, times, and names of representatives you spoke to. This documentation will help if you need to escalate the issue later. Step 7. Follow up. After submitting your claim, monitor it through the FedEx Claims portal. Be proactive about following up if you don't receive updates within the time frame they provide. These steps will help you efficiently navigate the process of reporting a missing delivery to FedEx. Remember, maintaining communication with customer service and keeping track of your claims will make the resolution process smoother. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.